Hey, my friend, welcome back to the Stay 48 Homeowner Podcast. Let's face it, groceries are getting more expensive than ever. You walk into the store for a few items and somehow you leave $400 lighter. And so today we're going to be tackling some secret tips to slash your grocery bill while still feeding your family healthy, delicious meals. So we're going to cover how to shop smarter and avoid hidden costs, the art of meal planning to reduce waste and save money, and we're going to bring up some couponing strategies to get the most bang for your buck. And stick around to the end because I'm going to share 2 overlooked grocery shopping hacks that can help save you money immediately. You don't want to miss that. And if this episode helps you, do us a favor, hit like and subscribe for more tips to make the most out of your Arizona home. So grab your cart, let's hit the list today on State 48 Homeowner.
Hi, I'm Kenny Klaus, and this is State 48 Homeowners.
So before we dive into tips, let's talk about what's driving up your grocery bill. The first thing is probably impulse buys. I don't know if you've ever grabbed a bag of chips or candy bars at the checkout. Stores use psychology to make you spend more. They use bright packaging, strategic placement, and deals that seem too good to pass up. Another thing that racks up the bill is convenience fees. This is a name that I give to things like pre-cut veggies, single-service snacks, or ready-to-made meals that they may save time, but they cost significantly more. Now, I tested this once with pineapple chunks, and I found that the convenience fees of having pineapple chunks in a plastic container versus cutting up your own pineapple chunks from a fresh pineapple, it was a 500% markup, which means you can have 5 times the fresh pineapple for the same price. A third thing that racks up the bill is brand loyalty. Name brands often come with a premium price tag, but store brands or generics offer the same quality at a lower cost. Here's an example. I love this seasoning on my meats. This is made by Kroger's store brand. It's the exact same blend and recipe as the Jack Daniel's brand, and in the exact same container with a different label. I'm guessing it's actually made in the same factory. The Kroger brand is $4.69. The Jack Daniel's is $7.99. So, if it's worth it for you to pay $3.30 to have that fancy name brand in your pantry, more power to you, but it's the same stuff. If you start paying attention to these hidden costs, you're going to notice where your money is actually going. Let's look at some bigger strategies, though. Meal planning is a secret weapon for cutting costs and reducing waste. Here's how to get started. Plan your meals for the week. Start by choosing simple, budget-friendly recipes. Look for dishes that use similar ingredients to cut costs and spread them out over meals. Choose a detailed grocery list. Write everything you need for planned meals and stick to it. If you don't have a list, you're going to be more likely to overspend. And here's a pro tip. Plan for flexibility. If chicken is on sale, swap out beef for chicken in your recipe. And meal prep. Spend an hour or 2 prepping meals for the week. Chop veggies, cook protein, and portion out meals to save time and money. Meal prep also makes sure that you have food on hand and keeps you from grabbing expensive takeout when you're too tired to cook.
Your friend Sean Hannity here. The current real estate market is creating more unique situations than ever before. And as an active investor myself, I have personally found that working with real estate agents that have real-time experience and offer a variety of solutions and options has never been more important. That's why here in Phoenix, I recommend that you talk to Kenny Klaus at the Klaus Team, powered by Real Broker. Now, he has helped many families right here in your area turn complicated situations into solutions. An immediate cash offer is not your only option. Now, the Klaus Team can provide a list of options and have a plan before your home is even on the market, including the buy then sell program. They can also tell you what your home is worth in seconds right online when you go to klausteam.com. Now, these are just a couple of options, and trust me, you owe it to yourself to talk with Kenny Klaus and the Klaus Team. Now, you can search on Google the Klaus Team and get the options that are right for you.
All right, let's talk couponing. You don't have to be an extreme couponer to save big. Just a few smart moves can make a difference. Use store apps. Many grocery stores have apps with digital coupons that you can click with just a tap. Apps like Safeways or Fry's reward you with additional discounts based on your spending habits. And you can double up on store sales and coupons because you can stack a manufacturer coupon with an in-store sale. And sometimes you could double up your savings. Like if pasta sauce is on sale and you have $1 off coupon, sometimes you're paying next to nothing on that. And don't forget to check those clearance and markdown sections. And these often have discounted items. Sometimes they're nearing their expiration date or they're discontinued. If you can use it or freeze it soon, it's a steal. And loyalty programs. Sign up for your store's loyalty program to access exclusive deals, fuel points, and additional discounts. And don't forget websites like coupons.com and apps like Ibotta. They offer cash back on groceries. When you hit the store, these tips are going to help keep your spending in check. Number one, shop with a list. This helps keep you focused and it reduces impulse purchases. And then when you go, stick to the perimeter. The freshest and healthiest options like produce, dairy, and meat are usually along the store's edges. Processed foods are often in the middle aisles. And like I mentioned before, buy generic. The store brands can save you up to 30% compared to name brands. And often there's no noticeable difference in quality. Sometimes they're made by the same people in the same factories. And here's a fun tip for the introverts. Shop during those off-peak hours. Stores are less crowded and you're less likely to rush and make impulse purchases. Now, if you want to say it even more, step outside the grocery store. Head over to farmers markets. Local produce is often cheaper and fresher than what you'll find in the stores. And plus, you're supporting local farmers. And you can also be a farmer yourself and grow your own fruits and vegetables to save big on produce. And when you start farming produce in your backyard or in a community garden, you're going to be surprised at what you can grow here in the desert. And don't forget about bulk buying. For staples like rice, beans, and flours, buying in bulk can be a big game changer. There's a lot of things that you can pick up at Costco or Sam's Club and you can keep on hand if it's not going to go bad. And as promised, here are 2 quick hacks to save on your groceries immediately. Number one, freeze everything. If you spot a great deal on meat or produce, buy in bulk and freeze what you don't need right away. I found that whenever a new Aldi opens, they have ribeye on sale for $5, and they sell them in these freezer-friendly packaging. Just don't forget what you have in your freezer, or you defeat the whole purpose. You have to start throwing things away from your freezer. Second thing, shop your pantry first. Plan meals around what you already have before hitting the store. There's nothing worse for your budget than buying things that you already have in your pantry. Grocery shopping doesn't have to break the bank. With a little planning, smart couponing, and savvy shopping, you can save hundreds, if not thousands, every year. Now, if you found this episode helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to simplify and save, and ring that bell to be notified of all of our new videos and episodes. Thank you so much for joining me on State 48 Homeowner. Now go make it a great day.
Thanks for spending time with us this week at State 48 Homeowner, the ins and outs of owning an Arizona home. You can connect with us for more information, submit topics you'd like us to further discuss. You can see relevant videos, give us feedback, answer your real estate questions, and more at state48homeowner.com.